Hey, I'm Jake Light of Flip Secrets, and have you ever wondered if house flipping is like mastering those classic video games that we all enjoyed as kids? Let me show you how. Remember navigating Mario and all those intricate levels? That's like scouting the perfect property. You need to jump at the right opportunity in order to navigate around all those potential financial pitfalls. Or take Zelda. It wasn't just about the swordplay, but more so around the puzzles and the planning. It's not just buying and selling, but it's the strategic renovations and the market planning and timing that count. And think about Tetris, aligning those blocks perfectly. That's your budgeting and flipping. Align your finances correctly, and you'll build something beautiful without any gaps. Remember when your Tetris stack got a little bit too high or Mario accidentally fell off a ledge? In flipping, you will have setbacks. A budget might go a little bit too high, or an extra repair may pop up and bite us in the butt. But what do? We learn, we adapt, and then we try again. Selling a fully flipped house at a profit, that is the level up moment. And it's as thrilling as defeating the final boss in Mega Man or even reaching a new high score in Pac-Man. But unlike our 8-bit adventures, flipping houses builds our real world castle. It's your path to financial freedom, your Princess Peach at the very end of a Mario game. Ready to press start in the real life flipping game? With all my strategies and secrets, you have all the power-ups you need to win in today's real estate market. I'm here to guide you through each level so you don't just play the game, but you master it. Hit that button, join our community, and let's turn your flipping dreams into reality. It's game time.